A linear function is when its graph is always a straight line. It has one independent variable, which is the x, and one dependent variable, which is the y. So, in linear functions, we have the linear equations, which are equalization and substitution. Okay, so equalization. Equalization consists in isolating the same unknown variable in both equations and then equaling the same expressions. We're gonna do an example. In here, we're gonna isolate the x. To have this, you equal both answers. And then you just solve for y. And then once you have the y, you replace it in the original equation, whichever one of both. So your answer is x equals 1 and y equals 2. So the answer is going to be a coordinate, which is going to be the intersection point between two lines. You intersect by putting the x in the horizontal line, 1, and the y in the vertical line. So this will be the intersection point. Substitution consists in clearing in one of the equations and replacing it in the other one. So here we have an example, and what will I do is isolate y. So it will give me y equals negative x plus 1. And then this, I'm going to replace it, so y is this, so I'm going to replace it in here. So it's going to be 2x negative, and then the y, negative x plus 1 equals 5. So then I'm going to multiply it. Get the x alone, so it's going to be 3x and then to get the y, I'm going to use this equation. It's going to be it would be x equals 2 and y equals negative 1. Your answer will always be an intersecting point between two lines. So in here it is 2 and negative 1, and it will be the intersecting point between two lines. This can be an example like that.
Parallel are two non-vertical lines that are in the same plane and has the same slope. An example could be this graph. As you can see, these two lines do not touch with each other. And in the other hand, we have the perpendicular, that are two non-vertical lines in the same plane that intersect at the right angle. An example could be this other graph that, as you can see, these two lines do intersect with each other at some point. But do we see these lines in real life? Yes, we do. An example of a parallel could be the stairs. These lines, as you can see, are never going to touch with each other unless it's broke. And an example of perpendicular line could be the train tracks. As you can see, they are going to touch with each other so the train can have directions.